As holiday travel gets underway, the Colorado Avalanche Information Center is warning travelers of increased avalanche danger through the high country this week. Right now, Fox 21 Storm Team meteorologist Megan Montero shares some travel tips and explains why this week could be dangerous for your Thanksgiving travel.
Yeah, that's right. Well, on Monday afternoon, the Colorado Avalanche Information Center sent out a statement saying that they are particularly worried about the situation for the middle of the week. Right now, there is an avalanche watch in effect for the central mountain regions. It's considered high, which is level 4 out of 5, and for very good reasons. In fact, they are expecting to actually raise some more flags for many of the mountain regions. In fact, most of the areas around the I-70 corridor and also down into the San Juans are expected to be in that higher watch come Tuesday and into Wednesday. And it's for very good reason. Take a look at the snowfall for the mountains. For the I-70 corridor, 1 to 2 feet is expected from Tuesday and into Wednesday, and 2 to 3 feet for some places in the central mountain regions all the way down into the San Juans. Obviously, it's going to be very difficult for any holiday travel, and especially it's going to be a lot if you're going to be headed up there for skiing as well. While we're going to watch the storm and let you know if any avalanches occur, here are some things to do if you get trapped in an avalanche while you are on the road. Number 1, avoid the travel if you can. Start making some different travel plans for Tuesday and into Wednesday. If that's not possible, start to pack provisions now, including a blanket, something to keep you warm, extra water, and also some snacks. If you are trapped in your car during an avalanche, make sure to stay in your vehicle with your windows closed. Typically, that's going to be one of the safest places, and if there's an avalanche has triggered, usually crews and forecasters know pretty quickly that an avalanche has occurred. The other thing is typically when we see avalanche situations, well, another one is soon to follow, so that is actually the safest place to be in your car. In addition, turn that car off because you're going to want to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. And last but not least, if you can and you still have cell phone signal, call 911 immediately. Hoping you stay safe during this travel season, I'm Fox 21 Storm Team meteorologist Megan Montero.